Here in this video, we will show you how to increase the upload file size of an SQL file in phpMyAdmin via WHM route. Sometimes you might have observed that you have a very high size database and you would like to import it inside phpMyAdmin. But you are not able to do this because of file size limitations. First of all, let us try to reproduce the issue. Log into your cPanel account and then go to phpMyAdmin section. Now from here, select a particular database into which you would like to upload SQL file. Now click over Import. Here in front of Browse, you will find max 50 MB. This means by default, your phpMyAdmin only allows maximum of 50 MB file size. And if you try to upload your SQL file which is of higher size than 50 MB, you will get this type of error. This error says no data was received to import. Either no file name was submitted or the file size exceeded the maximum size permitted by your PHP configuration. This type of error states that you are not allowed to upload an SQL file which is more than 50 MB. Now to resolve this issue, first of all log into your WHM route and then go to Tweak Settings which is given under Server Configuration. Now from here, select PHP tab and then you will find cPanel PHP Max Upload Size. You simply need to increase this value from here. If you increase it to 100 MB, then you will be able to upload SQL file size up to 100 MB. Now click over Save and you are done. Now you can flawlessly import the SQL files of higher file size. In this way, your problem will be resolved successfully. Make sure, in order to solve this problem, you need to contact your WHM root owner. If you are just a cPanel shared hosting user, you will not be able to solve this issue by using this method. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are still not able to solve this problem and your hosting provider is not cooperating, then you can simply switch to redserverhost.com and enjoy increased limit of SQL file size.